Green Prosperity, Cultivating Sustainable Futures in Meghalaya, is another community-focused initiative led by the Foundation for MSME Clusters, with support from UNDP's Global Environment Facility, Small Grants Program, and co-financing from partner organizations. Spread across 17 villages of the Boyi Rimbong block, this 18-month mission is all about regeneration of land, of livelihoods, and of communities. 70 hectares of degraded land are being brought back to life through the plantation of bamboo, Bambusa tulda, and another 30 hectares are embracing improved cultivation techniques, with over 300 farmers, men and women, receiving training in sustainable bamboo practices. The project isn't just about planting trees, it's about planting the seeds of knowledge and self-reliance. 10 awareness drives, 6 intensive training programs, hands-on sessions at the local Common Facility Center is part of this project, and the impact doesn't stop at the farm. 50 micro and small enterprises, equally divided between men and women, are being equipped with the skills to turn bamboo into beautiful, high-value products. Beyond livelihoods, this green effort aims to absorb 3,200 metric tons of carbon dioxide each year. A small step for a village, a giant leap for the planet.